Guys, I just want to show you the flower of a pepino melon. This is how it looks like. It looks like potato flower. So just like that. And the pepino melons update. They are very big, guys, but they are far from ripening yet, I think. See, and yeah, they look nice. Of course, these flowers we're going to have a fruit again, so one or two every cluster, and it's okay. I don't know if this one will going to develop as a fruit. Let's see, but there's a flower there. So anyway, that's the flower of a pepino melon. Looks like potato flower.